What's good, guys? It's your boy Will, back in the building with another video, and today we are doing Dream Studio Makeover Part 3, which is the dream desk that I have set up right behind me, and it is so dope. But before we get into the video, I just want to give a huge thank you to each and every one of you guys who have subscribed. We finally hit 900 subscribers on the channel. That is very exciting to me. I am so pumped. I hope that we can continue to keep growing. Let's start from a few days ago to see how all of this process went. Alright guys, we're back at our spot, IKEA, with my wife, and today we are doing my main desk setup, and I am excited. You excited? You got Starbucks? So what I'm doing right now, slid my other desk out the way, and I'm trying to set this up, but I'm a little bit of a crazy person when it comes to symmetry. So I'm trying to make sure that everything is like centered around the middle point of this LifeX beam. When I hung that up, I made sure it was the center of the wall. I'm actually gonna try to do monitor mount this time instead of just sticking it on the desk to save some desk real estate. I know you guys seen this already. This is the Alex drawer unit with the linnmon white tabletop, all white everything is what I'm going for with this desk, and I really could not find anything on the market that was better than this. The one thing that was lacking on my old setup was drawer space. Pretty much store everything in these types of storage bins because I had no drawer space in the room, but the Alex drawer unit comes with 5 drawer units on either side of the desk, and that is going to come so much in handy to keep my space more clean and organized. Let's finish getting this desk together. We're going to mount the monitor on the back of this table and try to get it all set up, and we'll go from there. This is the monitor mount that I decided to go with. It is actually a $20, I think I paid $20 or $25 monitor arm. And this is made by a company called Vivo. This is obviously not sponsored. I paid for this myself, but let me know if you want like a full separate review on this monitor arm. But from reviews of reading online, this thing is the business, the best budget monitor arm that you can buy. We're gonna go ahead and mount this up. A box in a box. Here are all the goodies. Okay, so here are all the pieces. I'm really happy that it has like a little bit of cushion on this to go on either side, so that way it's not putting metal onto your kind of wooden desk. So that's a plus. So actually I'm gonna go ahead and mount the monitor last. I'm just gonna put all of my stuff on here so I could kind of get this other desk out of the way. Alright, so looking good already. I'm digging it, I'm digging it, I'm digging it. Now I gotta figure out a solution of how to hide all these wires, because really with this look, again, I'm going for like a minimal type of theme. So I really only want one power cable coming out of the wall, and I don't want any other cables visible. Now for cable management, You do have like 3 options. I have all 3 options here. You have the cable box. I showed you guys that in the previous video on my unboxing desk. That's this little black box right here. And it makes everything look cool and clean and minimal. You also have the IKEA Signum rack. I have one of those over there. I don't think I want to do it here because I don't want to see a rack of cables. I want the cleanest look. And then lastly, I have some Velcros, and I have what do you call that, TV cable strip. Let me see. We're gonna talk cable management maybe in the next video and organization. I really wish I had some white speakers because that would go awesome with this setup. But I have black and yellow. I got my my white keyboard right here. Then I have the Apple Magic Mouse as well to go with the setup. I'm trying to focus on running the cables. I think I'm gonna just put the cables down right now just to turn everything on, and then I'll figure out a way to manage the cables, and we'll talk about that later. Okay, so quick update. I've got my monitor mounted. Somebody backing up a truck. I got my monitor. I have my monitor mounted on this stand. I love the illusion that it gives off. It's like the monitor is like just floating over the desk. It looks really nice. It's holding up very well. As far as my speakers, these are KRK Rocket 5s. They're studio monitors. Great sound, awesome sound, but it feels like they're a little bit too big for the desk, and I'm not sure. I think I may want to buy some stands and just stick them off to the side on stands, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I still got plenty of room for activities. And this is what I was talking about earlier. This is a wire management kit. Oh, it's upside down. Wire management kit, and it's basically these little custom sleeves that you can stick wires into, so that way the wires just isn't hanging everywhere. I'm probably gonna attach a few of them under the desk so that way I can slide a cable across, putting all the rest of the accessories and stuff on the desk, and then we'll figure out how we want to manage the wires. I think I may save that for a separate video because this is probably already long enough, but the desk is looking bomb so far. Alright guys, there you have it. The dream desk is finally built. I am so excited the way it all turned out. I love the aesthetics, all white everything. I have a few different black pieces, pretty much going for like a white, gray, and black vibe, minus my speakers, which are yellow combs, but you know, we're just gonna live with that. We're gonna let it rock. I got my cable management under control. No wires are seen. I am very happy with the job I did. It took me literally a full day. Don't worry, I'm gonna do a different video about how I cable manage my desk and also how I plan to utilize storage in this here studio. We're gonna do a tour in the next video of my main desk, and eventually we're gonna do the whole room because pretty much everything in here has changed since 2019, and I've really been enjoying the process of redesigning my studio. I'm gonna do a quick little montage of the desk, how I have it set up as of right now, and this stuff will change as I get more inspiration and find other things that I think can add to this minimal type of desk setup that I got. Man, I love the space that I have now. It is 60 feet in length. It has so much drawer space to hide all of my little gadgets and gear that I got. So I am like so pumped about it. Make sure you subscribe if you are not, so you can see the next video, see the desk tour. I'll tell you guys about everything that I have and how I'm utilizing it, and also the cable management / storage video. And I just want to say again, thank you guys so much for getting me to 900 subscribers. You guys are the best. Thank you, each and every one of you guys, for subscribing, and I hope that you look forward to seeing more content from me. But with all that being said, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And I will catch you guys next week in my next video. Deuces!